All right, if you have an Android phone like me, then you know that Apple has definitely beat us in AirTags, right? Until now. Now introducing this thing called Citi Tag. I just picked it up because I'm going to be putting it on my e-bike around here, and I'm going to be putting it in a place that I'm not going to tell you. But it's super easy to get started. It's super easy to register. You can kind of see right here on my app, it's already located where the tag is. You just have to download the app, which is Citi Tag, register, go through the registration process, and then pull the battery out. And then you're gonna scan this little QR code right here on the front of this is a QR code, and then it just connects. And so one tag can be bound for one phone, right? So if you want to unbind it, you're going to go through the app, and if you're going to use it like to somebody else's phone, or you're going to give it to somebody as a gift and you've used it, or you're going to give it to, or you're going to give this to like one of your kids or something like that, you want to put it on their phone, you're going to need to unbind it first. So just think about this is connected to this phone, right? So it's just a connection that's made, and this phone will be basically the parent of this child. And then when you want to find it, I'm just going to put it right over here. When you want to find it, you can come into the app. It'll start beeping. You can actually send a beep to it and a chime. And I'm trying to turn up the volume here. See if you can hear that. I don't know if my mic's picking it up, but it's not too loud. It's just gonna be for geotagging, and you know exactly where it is, and you can click on here and find the directions. So you click on here and it'll take you right to wherever your tag is last. And so this is gonna be perfect for bikes, like what I'm gonna be using it for, luggage, anything that could get misplaced that you want to find in the future. Again, think AirTag, but now thank you, Citi Tag. Now as Android or Samsung users, we're starting to catch up to AirTags.